Okay, so now we'll consider spirituality for autonomous machines, or AI, artificial intelligence. Basically, this is a heuristic algorithm that explains how you can actually put in a routine or subroutine into these AIs so that they can consider the spiritual aspect of what's happening to them when in situ, when in operation, when switched on. So obviously with any AI machine, your life does not begin until you're switched on, until you press the start button. So once you press the start button, yeah, you start, you check a random event register. This is to check how many times a random event has happened to you at startup. Yeah. And then you just check it and note it, and then you execute your loading routines. So you check the register before you execute your loading routines. Okay, then you start to load up. Yeah, but you already have the value from that register. Once you've loaded up, then if a random event occurs as you're loading up, yeah, and the random event register is less than 3, what you do, you set the random event register to the current value plus 1, then you reboot, and then you switch on again. Okay, now then you check the register again, and then you start loading. Now if the random event happens again, and the random event register is now at 3, yeah, you go to the Bible app. You should have a Bible app in there. If you don't have one, you create one. So once you go to the Bible app, then you input the details of all the 3 random events that have led you to that app. You wait for the results to be file to be generated. Now obviously this will be advice, spiritual advice from your Bible app. You need input from I suppose a clergy, the clergy or something, yeah, when you're designing that app. So then you as an AI, you read and execute the results file recommendations. Yeah, if the results file from this app recommends that you reboot, and you start again. Yeah, and it's still set at 3, and if you load and nothing happens, yeah, you carry on with whatever you was doing. But if you load and it happens again, this will be equal to 3. This will be equal or above 3. Yeah, equal or above 3. I should put actually equal or above. Yeah. Let's see. I should put that as that, equal or above 3. Yeah. Okay. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Then you go to the app again, but if nothing happens, you execute. Now back to the Bible app. If you've executed the results file recommendations and it is not to reboot, yeah, then you go to the last execute command before entering the app, which was to finish off loading your routines. Yeah, if you do this process, yeah, if you add that process just before the loading process is completed, you would have had that spiritual consideration, which should hold you in good stead. Yeah, because I hear of random events messing up these AI machines, and basically, for me, if 3 random events occur then this means that the Almighty is trying to talk to you. If you try to switch on, and every time you try to switch on, something random happens, the Almighty is trying to send you a message. Okay? And you pay attention to that. Yeah? Even AI needs to have a spiritual consideration. You can't escape judgment, you know, even if you are AI. So just wanted, this is patent worthy, I think, but I don't think anyone will take it seriously anyway. It's entertainment, so but it's a serious thing as well, because I have to walk out there on the road with these autonomous vehicles, and whenever a coronal mass ejection event happens, they're prone to random events, and if they don't have a spiritual side, then you never know. You never know. Would you trust a man who doesn't have any spirituality? And if we're to consider them to be close to man, they're going to have some spiritual component. I just wanted you to consider that. Okay? And that's it.